Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, we are going to see how you can save your designs in Canva as a template. So that let's say that you have created a thumbnail template and you want to use that cover photo, your thumbnail template or whatever document cover you have, and you want to save it as template. So every time you don't need to create it all over again, you can just use that template and then just customize accordingly. So let's say this is my final template where I will create most of my thumbnails. So after finalizing this, I can just click on share and just click on see all. Only then you will be able to see that. And now we will select the template link. Now it will generate a template link for you. But what is the template link? Anyone with this link can use this design as a template. Sign in is required, but you won't be able to know who has made the copies of this design. So if you're fine with that, because we will be using only this design, so we will just create a template link right away. And as you can see, the link is created and copied. But if you want to just copy it again, just click on copy. And by the way, guys, whenever you want to delete that template link, you can delete that as well. Now, after that, whenever you want to open that template link, just save that link anywhere in the Word document, let's say. So whenever you want that, just paste it right here in the URL like that, hit enter. And then you should be able to see this edit template or use the template for a new design option. So let's use this for a new design. And as we can see, it's a completely brand new copy of that template. So we can just use that however we want without disturbing the original design. So that's pretty much it. This is how you can create the template link in Canva. I hope you like this video. And if you want to learn more about Canva, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.